拜拜。转啊，收杯啊。
Uncle Hock, what are you drawing today?
I'm drawing a bird. Here, you can have it.
Uncle Hock, can you teach me how to draw, please?
Let's start with something simple. Connect the dots, you will come to life.
It's an octopus.
She wrote you a letter so you wouldn't forget her. Wish I could care less. It isn't my place to know what it says. My heart is a front page.
Hey, wait.
It won't.
You still doing connect the dots? Isn't that for kids?
It's gotten me this far, didn't it?
What's wrong?
Oh, hey Weng. Okay, so the client wants me to do something with the walls. So, yeah, but I'm kind of out of ideas. Any suggestions?
Let me see.
哎，同手来，买水给你们喝。
哇，谢谢老板哦，thank you，OK，thank you 啊，谢谢啊，谢谢。
Yes. Let me think about it.
Hi Weng, good morning. Welcome to Casa and Mason.
Good morning, Chanel.
Okay, you can try this. This one had a hand-drawn touch, feels more organic and more human.
How ah? Do you think they'll like it?
I think so.
Kong Kong, look, so cute, so nice.
Uncle Hock, do you remember me?
Weng? Is that you? Weng, how are you?
Uncle Hock, I'm good. How are you? Long time no see.